AI gonna replace everybody, or will they? Man, in this video, we gonna talk about who AI can't replace. So think about it. In a time where you look at messages, you get emails, and it doesn't even sound like it doesn't sound authentic at all. It sounds like, man, did someone crap? Like, why does it sound robotic? Even in your text messages, sometimes I was reading something I was on LinkedIn, and these were close friends, getting ready to have, now LinkedIn had turned into Facebook a little bit. And for the business professionals out there uh, who been there from the beginning, you know what I'm talking about. Well, it it was some friends going to have dinner, and the language that they were using with their friend was, they were pretty much like either that AI did that, or uh, they were in work mode and they were saying, I'll ping you back, or like they were just using corporate language, and they was like, what? And they was pretty much like, they thumbs it up and hadn't talked to them since. Obviously, it'd be nice to have that conversation with them, right? Like, hey man, I'm not some coworker, I'm not some, you know, associate. Uh, I'm your friend. I'm your homie. I'm your ride or die. I'm your dog. I'm the one that got your back. But what am I getting to? Authenticity. That's one thing that AI cannot replace, and that's authenticity. That's authenticity, which means you can't be replaced. Regardless on all of the news and the headlines, and yes, people jump on those trends, and hey, people losing their jobs because of AI, and don't get caught up in the hype of that. Don't live your life in fear with all this fear-based news. If you didn't know, that's what feeds the algorithm. That's what gets you traction. And when you know what gets traction, it does make it tough to not just ride the wave. And but something in my spirit just told me I can't do it. Like, I can't allow it. I won't do it. I won't chase the algorithm. Will it mean I won't continue to improve and get better? No, but I just won't sacrifice the human element of it. And so if that limits my growth, so care. So who cares? I know people that they ride that wave, and they tell themselves what they need to tell themselves. Hey, let's just put the medicine inside the candy. Cool, that do your thing. No judgment there. But I just, I, I've always been the person to just go along and do my own thing and be my own person. And that's probably why I didn't care to join groups as much, is because I had my own thoughts, and I just don't care to be the go along, get along gang. And sometimes they may have hurt me, and sometimes, it has benefited me. But the one thing that will always remain is I'm gonna be me. And I recommend that you be you too. Hey, I can't replace you. Use it wherever you need to. But don't get caught up in the hype. It's here to stay. But just don't, I guess my main point is, don't operate in a place of fear. The AI needs you. And don't outsource your authenticity. Don't outsource this thing that God gave us to use. Don't get lazy. Stop using AI as Google. Like, use your mind. If anything, use it to enhance the God-given mind that you have, to tap into even more of your creativity. When you have those creative moments through inspiration, through things that you're passionate about, all these things that AI can't replace. The feelings and emotions that we have as human beings that make us us. So if you hadn't figured it out yet in this video, The one thing that AI cannot replace is you. I'm out.